Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic population growth. Population growth. Population refers to a group of organisms of the same kinds or species living in the same place at the same time. A population may increase for or decrease due to birth, death, immigration and migration. Okay, population growth, it is the change in a population over time and can be quantified as the change in the number of individuals of any species in a population using per unit time for measurements. In demographics, population growth rate is the rate at which the number of individuals in a population increase in a given time period as a fraction of the initial population. Is an increase in the population advantage. What are the effects of overpopulation in a community? Factor that affect the population growth. First, the birth rate exceeds the death rates. The population naturally increase if the number of birth is greater than the number of birth at any given of time, or if the death rate is slower than the birth rate. Birth rate or fertility rate, it refers to the number of birth per thousands people per year. Okay, formula: birth rate equal to number of birth within a year upon total population within a year into thousands. Death rate or mortality rate, it refers to the number of people who died per thousand people in a given year. Death rate equal to number of deaths within a year upon total population within a year into thousands. Problem on population growth. First problem, food shortage. If there are more people, more food supply is needed. When there is food shortage, this means there is not enough food supply to sustain the needs of the people. Panic buying, hoarding, prices of commodities also go up. Next, water shortage. For more people, naturally more water is needed. In a place where the population is big, there is water problems. Housing problems. There are only a few families who own their houses and lots. At time, in crowded area, people build their houses along the railroads, riverbanks, and even along sidewalks. These peoples are called informal shelters. Okay, unemployments. Too many people compete with one another for the limited jobs that are available. Unfortunately, the government cannot provide enough jobs for every job applicant. Many applicants end up under employment, working in job where below their education qualification and attainments. Okay, health problems. Malnutrition due to lack of food and food nutrients. Unsanitary surroundings due to indiscriminate garbage disposals. Poor hygienic and poor health. Presence of disease like bronchitis among babies, diarrhea and tuberculosis. solution of solution to problem on population growth, development programs to increase food supply, productions provide portable water supply, and construct more road and bridges, promoting health and wellness of the people by building more hospitals, health clinics, and render effective health services. Next, the government has carried out housing programs on low cost housing in cooperation with the National Housing Authority. Okay, thank you.